How's it going, guys? How's it going? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in my episode. Guys, today we are on episode 142 and we are talking about design systems, right? So let's jump on to another design system that we're going to talk about. I'm going to show you guys how to go around it, and it can help you design really cool and aesthetic things on the web. Right, guys, so please reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. I'm your go-to guy, and let's jump into it. Of course, also please follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube. What else do we have? Dribbble, and of course on LinkedIn. So, guys, stay tuned. Let's go. Guys, we're talking about Fluent Design System, which is Microsoft Design System. Let's dive into it. Right? So bear in mind, guys, design systems is basically let me just show you guys the other part here on top. There we go. Basically a library that can help you with buildable components for you to start stacking on top of your designs. Right? What do I mean by that? You go to a website, you get a specific component. You don't need to build a new one. You start off from there, and then you get into Figma or any other design software, and you build it up from there, right? So you can get started from here. What's new? Design, develop, and then you have design language, principles, color, elevation, iconography, layout, material, no motion, shapes, typography, right? And then you go into UX frameworks, right? Working with AI, now that we have to integrate AI into everything. And then we have web tokens. So let's just right click that, and then right click that as well. You have web, you have iOS, you have Android, you have Windows. Let's start off with web. Right. Let's just go here. Right, starting designing. Basically, you can create a beautiful, cohesive Microsoft experiences with Fluent 2 UI kits, right? And what are UI kits? Basically, kits that come with that you can build, right? So we have here specific UI kits. We have assets. You can design with Fluent. Basically, to design mimicking Microsoft's design style, right? And you have here Fluent 2. See, you have the kits. I'll just show you here quickly. Sorry, guys, it's just the weather's been a bit off for me, but nonetheless, right? Because you have your accordion, as you can see. Let's go here for avatars. As you can see, just increase the right. You have here breadcrumbs, right? We have here buttons, so that you can see a little bit of what everything has. Let me just increase the size here a bit. See, these are buttons, the variants for the specific one. They have rounded buttons, they have square buttons. This is how they design the buttons, and of course here they have their variants, right? Let's just go into another one. We have buttons. We have, what's the next one? Cards. Let's check out cards. This is how you design. This is how they design their cards. This is an example of their cards. I'm sure some of you have seen when you log into Microsoft, you've seen some of their cards over there. So this is how you design them. You have the card title, the images, and the buttons over there. Right, cards. Let's go. What's next? Carousel. Right, and then we have here the carousels. What do the carousels have in common? They have the image, that goes to the side and then the other side, right? Check boxes you have there, or called radio heads, some of the checkboxes. Data grid, here we go. And then dialogue, right, there we go. And then we have divider, right, we have dividers over here. Let's check out, what else do we got? Drawers. What we have, drop down menus. These are very important. I mean, everything is important, but you see how a drop down menu works. It's action. This is how Microsoft specifically does it, right? Image, place, image, action, image, action, image, action, image, action, all in drop down menu form. Let's check out field. This is the text forms, the text fields. There we go, something like that. Info label, large, rest, hover, pressed, selected, focus, right? Input, we have here all your inputs, text and everything, right? Input label, then we have labels over here. Links, these are your link A's, your link 2's, and your link 3's, right? That's how Microsoft does it. Right, let's just check out a little bit of everything, a little bit about everything, guys. Lists, this is how the lists come up. If you have used Microsoft Teams, something similar to that, the chats and everything. Let's check out, what are those? Menus, list, material, acrylic. Let's check out menu. That's the menu. Message bar, right? Multi-line and everything. Message bar, navigation bar, there we go, that's for the navigation bar. And then persona. Persona is basically that huge icon that you guys see at the right, left, up, down. Let's check out popover. Popover. What are popovers, guys? Popovers are when you jumping from app to app, or is the first time using it, it shows you like a pop-up, boom, like, oh, by the way, this is what's happening, something along those lines. That's a popover. Okay, let's check out popover progress bar. Those are your usual progress bars when something is loading or pending or failed. Radio group. Radio group is your select specific option, right? Let's see what else they have. It's really vast. And then rating, you have your stars and rating system. And search bar, you have your search bars here. Skeleton, you know when it's loading something before it shows, this is the state that it remains in. Let's go off the skeleton. What do we have? Slider. Variants, there we go. Rest, hover, pressed, focus, and disabled. The slider, spin button, what is that? What are those? Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that it gives you multiple options, right? It's like a drop down menu, but much more specific. Oh, I like this, right? I'm gonna start using this in depth. Spinner. Oh, it's like when it's loading the spinner. Status indicator. Success, fail, warning, new. It has different everything. Switch/toggle button, that's the one. Let's check out tab list. There we go. Tab list. Tag and iteration tag. Let's check it out. What's this? Oh, there we go. Tag when it's clicked and when it's not clicked. Tag picker. Here we go. Text area. Placeholder minus plus. Toast. There we go. Toolbar. Tooltip. There we go. And then last but not least, tree. When you are inside a document and you want to select other documents that are inside the document, that are inside the document, that are inside another document, that's what it's done for. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. I really appreciate you guys taking the time. We will dive into a little bit much more in depth in other design systems as well. It's important that you guys know you don't have to start a design from scratch. That's how big design companies do it. That's how big designers do it. And so guys, stay safe. Please watch videos, guys. We are 107. Let's go up for 110 and then 50 and then 200 and 300, right guys? Stay safe. I'm your UX design guy, Pessane. Thanks so much for watching my channel. follow, subscribe, like, share, comment down below. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say about this. Please, 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 please. Also follow me on my social medias, my LinkedIn, my TikTok, my Instagram, of course here on YouTube and on Dribbble as well. I post every day. So guys, without any further ado, thank you so much. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. Take care.